over to the car show, and there's still a lot of people coming in. I already talked to the Hamilton collection. Seen a couple of friends coming in. Just wanted to chat with them, but the turnout is pretty crazy. I'm gonna start off the Sexy V Blackwing. Eric, you need to get one. Seriously, look at it. It's right there. Got an extra Supra, Corvette. But let's go take a look at some of these cars out here. This is pretty crazy. Got this nice sexy Corvette Z8. Got the sexy Bugatti Veyron, along with that B-Road build twin turbo R8. That is a sexy Veyron, but that's not the only sexy one here. We go over here and take a look. Beautiful SF90. Ooh. LP610, Lamborghini Huracan. Those are good friends. Chicago car guy. His infamous Lamborghini Huracan with the spray paint decals. Of course, you know what's next to it. This is the Bugatti Veyron. This is actually a masonry, full carbon fiber. It's what is it, if I'm not mistaken, it is Lenia Ventil. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. But look at this. It's all full carbon fiber with the gold trim. Finally, there's not a lot of people around it. With the gold wheels, full carbon fiber. And even, if you all here, we got the engine bay, full carbon fiber. This thing is so beautiful.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Just get in and drive it. See, the little kid knows his like, don't touch it. Yeah, be nice. Then you got your LP700 Vendor. Nice Dodge Viper SRT V10. I'm not a big fan of these body styles. Eric likes them. I like the newer body styles. We'll get over the newer body styles here in a minute. But these ones are nice. I do like them, but I don't like the body style that much. LC 500. I would actually get one of these. These ones are really nice. Fun to drive around in. Now, I'm trying to get a lot of these people here. Okay. Around everybody. But you got this one right here, the Lamborghini Revolver. Let's see, it's so nasty. Let me see if I can get in. Let's take a look on the inside. Look at this. This thing is so sick. Look at this.
Honestly, I think this thing is.
Alright. We got the doors open. Walking around. Look at the little one. Yeah. Sexy green STO. Ooh, SVJ. I love the SVAs. These are so nice. Then you got another Huracan. SVAs are so nasty. They're so beautiful. Trying not to hurt it. Trying not to get skinny. Look at this. The row of Lamborghinis. Then you got this big ass Rolls Royce. Alright. Now these are the SRT ACR Vipers that I really like. Big wide bodies. This is actually a good friend of ours. His name is Dustin. But these are just so nasty.
You know Alex? Yeah, you do know Cadillac? Yeah.
The huge wings.
I've never met him actually.
Yeah, these are beautiful. I like these Vipers a lot better. ACRs. Oh, got another one. Alright, got another ST over. This is one of our friends, SCOs. He did all the paint schemes and the ramps on it. Looks really good. Nice and stealthy look. Actually, you know what? While I'm here, and nobody's around it, except for this guy, but he's not going to notice, we're going to give our good friend here the D. He is getting the D, guys. Let's go ahead and put a D on the Lamborghini. All just for him. Yep, this is just so sexy. Sorry, my buddy Truett. Just gave you the D. I got one more D to give to somebody, guys. Nice sexy Ferrari Performante. Ooh. Sorry. Oh. Sexy McLarens. This looks like T's. I don't know which one was the guys. Sorry, guys. Oh, these are really nice. Functional boot scoop. Seeing a lot of Urises.
Yeah, I'm like, this would be
20.
what I would.
These Urises are beautiful. Nice and sexy. I would have to murder mine out if I were to get one. He looks just so mean. Got all the R8. Four, 5, 8. For the Huracan Evo. That's a Evo. Look at this big old Jeep. Now, is it the Bravas or is just a kid put on here to be a Bravas? Yeah. This thing's just so jacked up. It's like getting in my car. Got a livery walk. This thing's just so nasty. This is how we gotta have a field blue one that you've seen in a lot of our videos. But this is just sick. What's up, man? A big guy. I'm still the Porsches. These are the GT2 RS. These are one of my favorites. I would get these over the GT3s. They're really growing on me. I've never really liked the Porsches before. They were more like old man cars, as you would say. But they're actually started to grow on me. We got on a track with one. But I would take a GT2 RS over a GT3. I believe that they're just slightly faster. So I got one more D, guys, to give to somebody. This thing is nasty. The 4GT 40, all blacked out. This thing is just so funny. These are nice. I like these ones. We got the HRE wheels in there. Manual transmission. Full carbon fiber inside. Oh yeah, that's a sick. Alright, what else do we got going on? F8. More Ferraris. More BMWs. I do like the BMWs. There's a lot to say about their head gasket freaking. It's M3. CS. Another Bravos Jeep. That thing is just so big.
I swear,
Well, don't get me wrong. They do have a lot of supercars, but you got your classics right here. You got your 69 Camaro with the very clean body. Look at this. This is so sick and clean. Oh yeah. That's very nice. Yeah, 650S, another Viper. A lot of Vipers are like 4 or 5. Okay, so I got to make them in this one, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna drop these ones on the floor. All right.
After this, would you also like to play?
So close. So close.
After this, would you also like to do a riddle?
What's a riddle? He's getting everything.
Yeah, how's it go?
Now this game reminds me of the Bozo Show. Seriously. Back in the day.
I think that's why they had it.
All right. I got last one.
Alright, so you got one so far.
Oh.
You suck.
So choose one. Alright.
Alright,
What you can do it now.
Oh, I get candies? Yeah.
Now, here's the riddle. Follow me.
Somewhat of an air hug.
The riddle is over on that table.
All right. Let's see the riddle.
Right here. So, can you make a square by only using one of these pens?
Make a square?
By only using one of these pens. Involves this
I know
pen.
that one. I have.
And it's tiny.
Yes, and I don't remember.
It's a tiny square and it involves this.
It's a tiny
You'll
square.
already see three of the sides.
Oh yeah, and
Just
it
one of
involves
the
that
sides.
one.
One of the sides is just going, it's just pushing it in.
Okay, so I might get it wrong because I haven't done this one in a while. I only can
Three of
move
the
one.
sides are already there, but one of the sides is being pushed
Okay.
in.
All right, there you go.
Correct.
Made it square.
Choose
Yeah.
anything from this table. It could be a pen, clip, frisbee, cup that changes color, or one of those.
Here, I'll take a clip because I eat a lot of potato chips at home. Yeah, I love my potato chips.
Never have enough of
Yeah. Good job, buddy. Thank you. Good job.
I know. It's been really
That was actually a really fun game, guys. Like the Bozo Show. That little kid was a good salesman. So I got me a sucker, and I got me a clip. I like eating potato chips at home, so. Now, this is what I really wanted to bring you guys over here. Check out this nice Supra. I love my JDMs, and this is one of them. Look at this. Sexy Supra with the target. Oh, he did close it up. But it hasn't seen the track. But it does have a manual transmission with the target top. Yeah, it's got track tires on there with the big old cockeyed exhaust. This thing is so nasty. And then you got this track Murcielago here. Not a Murcielago. Sorry, guys. This is actually a race by Ardo.
Looks like someone stole it.
Yeah, this is nice.
Okay.
This is nasty.
Yeah, cool. Fine.
Now this is how you do a race Lamborghini. Yep, this is sick.